Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Madina, and in today's video we're gonna make, or I'm gonna try to make, some plant pots. I went to the store and I really liked some pots, but they were pretty expensive, so I decided to DIY them myself. I went to the store, I bought some wood, and we are gonna try to make that, and let's see if it's gonna look as good as the ones in the store. But definitely they're gonna be cheaper than the ones in the store. At least that's what I think. So let's get building. So my plan is to make something to support the pot because I wanted to have it a bit higher than the ground. I want the frame to be under the pot and then under it another frame so it can support all the weight of the pot with the ground and the flowers. Then on the edges I will put 4 legs, and then I want it to be 70 centimeters high, and then I have to measure the width and the length of the pot so I make it exactly to size. My plan is to make 2 of these wooden planter pots, or however you call them, because I want to have them one of each side of the house, so that's why you will see I'm cutting and building everything double. Yeah, just leave it the same color, no? Are you sure? You want it lighter? Tell me. You want it lighter? Too late.
Yeah, but this wood is lighter, so it's gonna be lighter.
So you want it lighter? I think I need to put maybe 2 coats on it. Huh?
Probably. Planks on this side, they're all crooked.
What do you mean?
On this side, they're all like,
Yeah, I see. Leave me alone.
they're staggered.
Yeah.